they say, take a walk with your ultraviolets that fill my soul. Your ultraviolet, and every time I know the truth.
I arrived in Frankfurt and I just checked in. Now I'm going for food, and then I bought a ticket to go up the main tower, which I'm pretty excited about. It's 200 meters up and gives you a really nice view. If I'm lucky, I can get there for sunset, but there's gonna be a waiting queue because they can only let up so many people during Corona. And on the bright side, it's gonna be real empty up there. My hotel is meh, you can get what you pay for, and I made a mistake. I was like, how bad can it be to have a hotel right near the train station? Well, it can be really bad.
Speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. Swallow this song.
So now I'm kind of avoiding the area of my hotel. I just walked around it because it's the train station area, and it's notorious. So that was really just not so smart, but now I know. In case you hear that it's bad, it is that bad and you don't want to be there. That's also the reason that I'm already going for food now. If I'm going to the tower tonight, I don't want to be walking home from dinner in the dark there, so I'm just gonna take it real chill tonight. Maybe edit or prepare. I prepared work just at during the train ride to Frankfurt, which is pretty good. And yeah, people over here take those scooters. They're everywhere. I'm walking to get a bike because I prefer that, even a big city. And I haven't been here before, but it really doesn't feel like you're in Germany. Right now you see all those skyscrapers and everything's so shiny. I don't even feel weird holding the camera in front of my face, which is, I guess, an indicator for, yeah, something doesn't feel like Germany.
Serenade the ultraviolets all alone. She knows everything there is to know, and of course she does. Just smile and hush, and in my eyes I'll fall asleep.
I am so impressed with the skyscrapers. It somehow feels like downtown LA. And I'm so excited about food. I don't know where to go first. There's so many amazing vegan places, it seems. Turns out they have the marathon here tomorrow, going through the city, so I don't know how freely I'll be able to ride a bike yet walk around. I just walked by them building that. That's how I know. That sucks. Ja, es ist so